Hast thou today compared thyself with others and felt diminished? Dost thou believe thou must achieve more to be a person of value? Yet, ancient wisdom whispers a different truth. Thy value is not something to be proven, but is already inscribed within thee. The world evaluates thee based on thy achievements, but the gaze that truly understands thee sees every step thou hast taken, and every path thou hast walked. Thou art not a being that exists to be evaluated, but to be understood just as thou art. To be fully known by someone, this is the first root of unshaken self-worth. Here lies the core of all self-worth. Thou art not a being created by chance. Thou art fearfully and wonderfully made. Every breath, every thought, every finger was not made in error. People may count their shortcomings and spend their nights awake, but ancient wisdom says, thy existence itself is a masterpiece. Even when thou dost doubt thyself, the intricate design that makes thee has never wavered. Hast thou ever wanted to escape? From thy failed self, from thy shameful past, from thy current struggles? But listen, thy value follows thee. Even if thou takest the wings of the morning, and dwellest in the farthest parts of the sea, thy value is still with thee. In the moment thou triest to abandon thyself, an unseen hand still holds and guides thee. Self-worth is a truth that is stuck to thee, no matter where thou goest. Thou canst never fall outside of thy value. Ancient wisdom says something even more astonishing. Before thou camest into the world, all thy days were already written in a book. This means thy life did not start as a blank page, but as a story with a purpose. Even the darkest scenes thou art currently going through are not meaningless pages. So do not cover thy entire book with one mistake. Thy story is not yet over. What words dost thou speak to thyself the most? Insufficient, lacking, not good enough. We are our own harshest critics. But the wisdom that created thee thinks of thee with thoughts more numerous than the grains of sand, and each one is precious. Just for today, stop the voice that belittles thee, and look at thyself with the precious gaze that thinks of thee. Thou art someone's most precious thought. The way to apply this wisdom to thy life is surprisingly simple. Stop the scroll of comparison. The habit of comparing thy backstage with others' highlight reels gnaws away at thy self-worth every day. So today, whenever the thought of belittling thyself arises, say out loud, I am already enough. First it may feel awkward, but as thou repeatest it, the words will take root as the truth thou hast always known. Thy value is not something to be proven but remembered. Thou art fearfully and wonderfully made, and thy value follows thee wherever thou goest. Thy thoughts towards thyself are more precious than the sand. Today, put aside comparison, and walk boldly as the enough person thou art. Share this video with someone who needs this solid wisdom, and join us by subscribing to Secret Bible and liking this video.